Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. We are in the safari and we've got some animal friends here with us, and our master safari trainer is going to be giving some of the animals a bath because they're here at the watering hole. So master safari trainer, can you tell us what animals we have here with us?
Crocodile!
Where's the crocodile? This is Mr. Crocodile. Okay, who else is here in the safari?
Rhino!
Rhino? Ooh, he has a really big horn.
Uh-huh.
Who else do we have here?
Zebra!
The zebra. What happened to the zebra? Did he get in a fight? He's bleeding. He's not bleeding. Then why does he have red on him?
He's bleeding!
Okay, two more animals that are here in the safari with us. Can you name them?
Panty Gumpy!
What animal is that?
Panty Gumpy!
What else?
Elephant!
We've got an elephant. Oh, we have two elephants actually. Oh, and this one, is he a little sick? And then is this a baby elephant too?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put the baby elephant by its mommy.
Bye-bye!
And then I think we see one big animal that you forgot to mention right there. Who is that?
Giraffe!
Okay. So let's start with the bath, okay? All right, Ryan, let's give our animals a bath.
And these animals can get the drink.
They're gonna get a treat?
A drink where you stay.
Okay.
Some animals gonna get a drink, and some animals gonna get a bath.
Okay, which ones are gonna get the bath? Okay, who are they?
Gorillas, mountain gorillas.
Mountain gorillas in the safari. Imagine that. All right. Wash, wash, wash.
Let's mix them all up to get them cleaned. Guys, doing the bath. I've done them, and it's these ones. Cheetahs.
This actually is a jaguar. What sound does a jaguar make?
Mixing it Cater padders with Chris. Cater padders with Chris. Cater padders is actually not a safari. And then another one is these elephants.
Can we see the elephants?
These ones drink with their tongue. These
They're just gonna drink some water, okay? Drink your water, elephants. Drink your water.
and that baby tucks, and these daddy tucks got a very big tucks. And
You
now
mean their trunk? They have a trunk and tusks. All right, who's next?
crocodile.
Crocodile. Let's see him.
Get him. Pick him up.
Okay. Is he gonna bite me? Ah! Hello, little crocodile.
The giraffes.
All right.
The actually.
That's the baby giraffe and a mama giraffe.
The actually drink.
They're gonna drink? Okay.
Drink.
They've got long necks to drink.
These baby little giraffes got little giraffes drinks. And this big one can drink so fast. And those two rhinos got to get the bath and they say no.
They said no, but you still gonna give them a bath?
But after we get the drink, when I mix them up, watch, up and down. And those actually float or stink.
They are floating.
They are floating.
Hello.
Get the baby one.
Okay. I think you only have a few more people that need to be clean or get a drink. Just the snakes and the zebras.
These jaguars all take a bath because these tigers don't want to take a bath. Take him out.
Oh, hello. He's all clean now. Here's one little slithery snake. Ah, he's gonna bite me.
There's one slithery snake too. Yeah, got you, snake.
Ah!
Got you, snake. Got you, snakes. Test one.
Okay.
No.
Ooh.
We're gonna put this little thing in it.
Okay.
Just the other one down there.
Okay. All right, the zebras are the last ones to go. And then it's time for everybody to say good night.
And then the rhino.
You did the rhino.
I didn't do the rhino.
There's the bloody zebra. He got injured.
He got injured.
I wonder what animal injured him. Do you know?
Mm-hmm.
Was it the jaguar?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he bit him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I colored on him.
A tiger got him?
No, I colored on
Oh,
him.
you
That's
colored
why.
on him.
I was colored on him.
Okay.
And then the baby monkey.
Okay.
What's the other baby monkey?
What sound does the monkeys make?
Was the other baby monkey?